I am Mini, Assistant Professor from the EC Department at Emmanuel Arasar JJ College of Engineering. Now I am going to explain about the topic Miniature Circuit Breaker, MCB, that is Miniature Circuit Breaker. This MCB protects the circuit from overload and short circuit. How it protects the circuit? It automatically switches off when excess current flows. This MCB, how it works? It works on two conditions. The first one is overload protection and the second one is short circuit protection. First we see about overload protection. From the name itself we will understand it protects from overload. This is the pictorial representation. Here phase, P for phase, N for neutral, bimetallic strip, that means two metals are welded together. Then closed contact, then load. This is the trip bar. Here what happened? The current comes through the phase, through the metallic strip, through the closed contact, it reaches the load, finally it reaches the neutral. This is the normal condition. Here, if it is overload, this bimetallic strip is heated. It automatically bends, which touches to the trip bar. Here, the closed contact is disconnect. So, it becomes open circuit. No current will flow here. For example, this is the diagrammatic representation for this. Actually, what happened? So, example, we consider this bimetallic strip have the capacity of 10 ampere, but the incoming current 20 ampere means what happened? We know that that is the excess current because its capacity is 10 amps, but now the current is 20 amps. That is the excess current flow through the metallic strip. So what happened? The strip is automatically heated. The strip is automatically heated. We know that metals have the property when it is heated, it expanded, and when it is cooled, it contrasts. Here also, this is metal, no? So it will expanded and it will bend with attached to the trip bar. So the circuit is open circuited. There is no closed contact to the load. Therefore, the load will be safe. Here, then this bimetallic strip, that time this bimetallic strip hits the trip bar. Therefore, the MCB is off. Okay. So, due to this condition, our load is safe. Got it? The next one, short circuit protection. What is short circuit protection? It protects from short circuit. So, what is meant by short circuit first? Short circuit means the electric current flows through a very short path with very low resistance instead of flowing through the normal load. Here, in normal case, here from phase to plunger to load. This is the normal condition. That is phase to contact to plunger to load, and it will become neutral. Okay, this is for normal case. But if it is if it affected by short circuit, how it protects? Here, for example, if 10 ampere current is flowing through this phase, that is only 8 ampere is flows here, 2 ampere current was taken by the solenoid because it provides the low resistance path. So what happened? This solenoid have the winding. Okay. So whenever current is there, heat will be produced. When there is excess current, obviously heat will be produced. We have a copper winding now. Because of current flowing in the solenoid, magnetic field will generated. What it will do with this? This plunger is also a metal. This plunger is also a metal. This magnetic field which is generated around the solenoid will attract this plunger towards itself. The plunger will move towards the solenoid because the magnetic field is generated around the solenoid. Because of that magnetic field, the plunger is being attracted towards itself. When the plunger is attracted, it will move away. When it is moving, obviously there is a gap created between the contact and plunger. This contact will not move, right? What is happening here? The circuit is open circuited. The current will come and stop here. Normally, through contact, through plunger, it will go to the load, isn't it? But here, there is no wire associated here. As a result, it will become open circuit. No current will flow. Then, how this MCB turn on the switch? Both happen simultaneously. When the plunger backward, it touches the stripper, move from its place. So the tripper is displaced and it will hit the MCB switch. MCB switch turned down, again manually turned it on, it go to the normal condition. This is the process. Our load will be safe. Then some advantages are there. This MCB is reusable, high safety, easy on-off operation, no fuse replacement needed. Okay, so these are about MCB. I think you all understand. Thank you.